Hey everyone, this is Justin Wiggle here. Here's a Bill Nye DVD menu walkthrough of sound. So here we got watch the program, play program, set up, view in English mode, view in bilingual Spanish mode, view program interact glossary, on and off. Big idea, try the sound tube, way cool scientist, radiologist, big demo sound waves, music video, science center clips, ears focus sound so we can hear, how an ear works, model of an eardrum, oscilloscope measures sound waves, sound travels faster in solid than air, sound travels in waves, pitch change the frequency of sound waves, vibrations are natural frequency. Teacher support, science quiz, instructions, begin quiz.
Test your knowledge with
Oh, sorry about that.
the Teacher's Guide of Science.
Sorry about that. Glossary, oscilloscope, echo, sound, wave, frequency, pitch, ultrasound, natural frequency, and resonance. DVD features. Teacher's Guide.
And now, the Teacher's Guide of Science.
Internet links. Here's teacher support. What do you know? Submarine sonars and sound travels
Look at this.
more slowly than light. Also available, signs of music and pressure. Also available, credits, sorry. Wallpaper and screensaver.
Put this on your desktop.
And that is it for the DVD menu walkthrough. Nothing to do now. See you later!
Check it out.